Hello students, once again welcome to BholanathAcademy. In this video students we are going to see the question number 17. Here students it is written aluminium crystallizes in cubic closed packed structure with unit cell. Age length is given 353.6 picometer. What is the radius of aluminium atom? Here students asking what radius. How many unit cells are there in 1.0 centimeter cube of aluminium? Understanding students? So students here what is given students? Here it is given aluminium. In solution students, how you are going to write, this is for your understanding students. I'm drawing aluminium is what crystallizes in cubic closed packed structure with unit cell length is given 353.6 picometer. Understanding students? Now here aluminium students, aluminium is going to be crystallizes and it is forming what? Crystallizes and it is forming cubic closed packed structure. Cubic closed packed structure it is forming students. Understanding students? Cubic closed packed structure. That means here the aluminum atoms are present. Understanding students? Now what happens students? Unit cell, when you see the unit cell, this is the unit cell students, the age length, that is A, there it is given, that is length of side of unit cell is 353.6 picometer. What is the radius of aluminum atom students? What will be the radius? Since it is what you can say, it is similar to FCC, cubic closed structure is nothing but what? FCC structure. Now here students, what is the relations? Here is asking what? Radius. What will be the radius of this cubic closed structure students? Aluminum is crystallized in the FCC structure. Now you have to find the radius of aluminum atom. So students, what is the relation that you are knowing? Radius in FCC is always 1 upon 2 times 1 upon 2 root 2 times 2 root 2 times side of the unit cell. Understanding? So now here students, directly it is given, the side is given in picometer. You can convert into what? Centimeter. If you multiply by 10 raised to minus 8, what happens students? It will convert into, this picometer will convert into centimeter. So decimal will be shifted here students. So 3.536 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter. Now we have converted into what? Centimeter. Understanding? Whenever it is given picometer students, we have to multiply with 10 raised to minus 10. You have to multiply 10 raised to minus 10. So this picometer is converted into centimeter. Understanding students? Now what is the radius students? Very simple students. You know the relation of radius and side of unit cell, that is radius of in FCC structure students, that is in cubic closed package structure. Radius is always 1 upon 2 root 2 times A. Now here A is already given. Now we have converted into what? Centimeter. So now put the value here students. So 3.536 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter. You have to divide with 2 root 2. Understanding students? That is nothing but 3.536 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter. You have to divide with 2 root 2 value students. You have to remember that is 1.41. You have to take 1.414 is also there. When you divide students with the help of the log table, it will come 1 1.25 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter. Understanding students? With the help of the log table, if you do students, it will come. Now you can convert into what? Picometer. So it is nothing but 125 picometer. Understanding students? I have already told 1 picometer is nothing but 10 raised to minus 10 times centimeter. Understanding students? So if you multiply, this is the radius of the aluminium students. Now you got the radius of the aluminium. So first question students, what is the radius of aluminium atom? So radius, now you got this is the radius in centimeter and it is in form of what? Picometer. Now you got the radius students. Second question students, how many unit cells are there in 1.0 centimeter cube of aluminium? If the volume of aluminium is this much, so in how many aluminium unit cell will be there students? Understanding? For that students, what have to do? You have to find out the volume of this unit cell. What will be the volume of this unit cell? So students, first you have to calculate the volume of one unit cell, that is nothing but side cube. Now here it is already, it is given students, side is nothing but 3.536 into 10 raised to minus 8 to whole cube. Okay students, when you take the cube students, it will come 4.421 into 10 raised to minus 23. Understanding students? Here I have directly written the answer students. With the help of the log table you have to do students. How you are going to do the log table students, that we already explained. So volume of one unit cell students, you know. So one unit cell volume is this much. Now here already it is given So how many unit cell will be there, students? So students, since you know 4.421 into 10 raised to minus 23 centimeter cube corresponds to 1 unit cell. So this much volume will gives you 1 unit cell. Therefore, here students, in questions they have given what will be the how many unit cell will be present in 1.00 centimeter cube. Students, this is there. So students, what you have to do? You have to cross multiply. Understanding? So this students, if you cross multiply students, so number of unit cell, here you can say number of unit cell is nothing but students you have to cross multiply. So what happens students? 1.00 centimeter cube you have to divide with 4.421 into 10 raised to minus 23 centimeter cube. Centimeter cube cancel. When you 1 upon 4.21 is nothing but students, when you do it, it will comes to 0.26 into 10 raised to 22. So this is the number of unit cell present in 1 centimeter cube. Understanding students, if the volume is this much, so this much volume corresponds to this number of unit cell. Number of unit cell. Understanding students? So this way students you can calculate the second part of the questions. You are given the answer of the second part of the questions. These are very important for the examination point of view. If you like my video, please share it, subscribe it. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. God bless you.